Hi, this is Patrick. I'm going to show you a little bit about how to do a custom report. So let's just go ahead and do that. We're going to go ahead and hit the reports button here. And I am going to create a custom report. Now before I do that, I just want to review. I showed this in the other video. There are two basic types. There is a list view, which lists every single package on a given parameter, and a summary view, which lists them, summarizes all of the packages on a given category. I am going to start with a list view today. So I'm going to hit New Custom Report from the Reports page. I have to give it a name, so I'll just say New List View Report. Doesn't really matter what you call it. And I'm choosing List View right here. If I did Summary, it would be like that, but I'm not. So we're going to keep it on List View, and we're going to show packages that are in what status. So this is asking what type of packages you want. I'm going to say ones that are currently logged. You know what? Any type. Logged in, logged out, doesn't matter. I just want to know all my packages. And okay, what type? Just everything? Well, now I could show what items. Well, I want to know when they were checked in. I want to know the carrier. I want to know who checked them in. I don't need to know the custom field of perishable. I want to know the checkout time, though, just because I'm curious. And the status, sure. And then maybe I also want to know the mailbox number and the tracking code and the company. And the company is the person that it's going to. And that's it. That's what I want to know. But when I look at this, I see the order it's in is good. Check-in time, I want that first, carrier next, but I want the tracking code to be the third number. So to do that, I could just take this tracking code and hit this little up button right here. I can move the tracking code to the top. And that's the only change I'm going to make here. You could go a little crazy checking this and moving stuff up and down, get it exactly the way you like. Also, they'll show up in this list based on the order that you press the buttons here. So if you don't want company last, if you wanted them in a different order, you would just unclick this and put it back in. Now you have to choose what you want to sort it by. It has to be like one thing. In other words, it's going to be a list. Is it alphabetical? And if so, based on what? So you have to choose one thing. So we're going to say based on when they're checked in. It seems like a reasonable thing. We've got two options here, the filter range, by range or by unit. By range means from the 1st of, I don't know, January to today. It's 2 calendar dates, okay? And by unit would mean show me stuff that is older than 1 day or younger than 1 year. So let's do anything younger than a year, just because. Why not? I can also add a custom condition here, so I can do that. And if I scroll in here, I could say, in addition to all the stuff I've already chosen, make sure that we only want to show packages who are, oh, this is slightly off your screen, sorry, that are not deleted. So if it's a deleted package, I don't want to see it. Okay? Now I save that report. So that's done. Now I want to run that report. I don't see it here because we've got a couple pages, so let's go down. The last page, I think. New list view report. Here it is. This is the one I just did. So I'll run that. Here's all those packages. There's 223. I'm showing 10 per page, but I could turn that to 100 per page or more if I wanted. And then from here, I could also select all of them and send a reminder message. I could check out packages. I could print the report, or I can export it. They're very simple. So that is a new list view report. If you have questions, let us know. That's what we're here for.